Otsuka Pharmaceuticals, they are conducting walk-in on 16th and 17th April 2022 for production, quality control, quality assurance and packaging and maintenance. Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, coming to the vacancy details, they are hiring for production, QC, QA, packaging and maintenance. As I already said before, they are looking for MSc, B Pharma, M Pharma, B.sc, ITI, Diploma or B.tech candidates. The minimum experience is 2 to 10 years and they haven't assigned the number of openings and salary structures. So let us see some more details. Friends, before going to that, thank you for making our channel reach 12,000 subscribers and thank you for the love and support you are showing to our channel. Friends, for regular job updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel pharma.jobalert.in and also share our channel with your friends. So these are the vacancy details. They are hiring for MSc, B Pharma, M Pharma with 2 to 10 years of experience. Friends, coming to the job location, the job location is Ahmedabad and the date of interview is 16th and 17th April and the interview timings are 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. The venue is Otsuka Pharmaceuticals, Hotel KC, Crossroad, Bus Stand, Panchkula, Haryana. Friends, it is a face-to-face interview, so you all know about a walk-in interview, so you need to attend physically to the interview venue with all the required documents and also carry your updated resume relevant to the job that they are hiring. Friends, also bring your, you need to carry all your experience certificates, last 3 months pay slips, your salary structures of the previous company that you are working in, and also the skill set that you have to be mentioned in the resume because it will play a crucial role in hiring you for that company. So these are the details, friends. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you like the information, please do hit the like button.